Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning market webcast. Okay, a few days left in March, and what we're starting to see, and what I was pointing out to everybody in the room yesterday was you had a big push down Monday that was rejected to the upside. Yesterday, you had a move to the upside that was rejected down from 35 all the way down to 28.06. So the bears are struggling with the 9-day, with the entire area of 26, 27, and they don't look good at all. They don't look good at all above 30. Okay, the bears are struggling with the daily pivot, and they don't look good at all below 2,800. So we've carved ourselves out this 15, 20, 25 handle range, which is fine. There were some, there were some big moves yesterday. There were some moves that you really take advantage of. We did 20 in the room yesterday, which is great. And we came into the day long, off the open, because you had the potential there for a trend up day. The advanced decline line was pinned up above 400. You could see it, if it could have turned our proprietary upper level into resistance, that was about 36 and change. You could really have seen it try to run back and grab where it came down from Friday, but they couldn't get it done. So when it started to turn, we ended up getting short against 30, and just had a couple of really big shorts to the downside, and then they went ahead and bounced it up into the end of the day. The interesting thing heading into today is, as we go over to the hourly chart, you really have no clarity. Okay, you've got this lower low from Monday. You got 35 resistance up here. You have a potential lower high from a couple hours ago, and it's made a fairly efficient move down from 31 into call it 15, 16. For me, as we head into the open, does it want to continue to pursue that? What does 08 look like when we get down there, if we get down there? And is today going to be a day that we kind of hover in and around the hourly midband, the daily pivot, the weekly pivot? Do we hover between 20 and 30 for the majority of the regular session? I don't know. What I would say is that we're not really compressing on the hourly, but if we keep lingering around the weekly pivot without any decision, the hourly bands are going to get tighter, and we head into a resolution Thursday, Friday, which is pretty typical anyway. So to say the least, the weekly pivot is not decided as we head into Wednesday, and both sides have had their chance to convert it and leave it converted and take the week in the direction they want it to go. First the bears, then the bulls. So off the open, I think you have to be very focused. There's a lot of stuff concentrated on 28.21, 28.22, 28.23. I'm talking about the daily pivot. I'm talking about volume-weighted average price, VWAP, and I'm talking about a proprietary moving average that we use. You still have your pre-FOMC price at 26. Weekly pivot is still at 26. So 21 to 26, you want to be long support of that area. You want to be short resistance of that area. And you got to hope you don't get door number 3. Door number 3 is we trade inside that area, and they're picking everybody's pocket for a couple of hours off the open. And the way it sets up for us after the type of day that it should be off the open is, it does set up for a little bit of that type of action. Don't overtrade it. Book your handles, wait for a resolution, and then you'll get, as you head into the second part of the day, we should get a little bit more of an attempt to either go back and retest 35 or go down and retest 27.90. All right, take care, trade them well. I've got meetings this morning, so there will not be an Instagram live hit. I'll fill you guys in over on the Instagram side. There'll be plenty of more stuff on social. I will be in the room all day, obviously. I have a morning meeting. It happens. Take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.